In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a virtual environment in VS Code. But before that, please subscribe to my channel. Without further ado, let's get right into it. So the first thing we need to do is to create a folder and a workspace. So click on File, click on Open Folder. Okay, with this our project have been created. So next up we need to create our workspace. To do this, go to File, go to Save Workspace As, then you click on Save. Our workspace have been created. The next thing we need to do is to select Command Prompt as our default terminal. So to do this, we need to go to View, click Command Palette, then click on Terminal, click on Select Default Profile. Make sure you click on Command Prompt. What this does is to set Command Prompt as your default terminal. Next thing we need to do is to open a new terminal. So you click here, click on New Terminal. So our new terminal has been opened. The next step we need to do is to create our virtual environment. And we can create a virtual environment by typing this prompt. So simply type python -m venv space, and then you need to go to the location of the folder you created. This is the location in which the folder I created was stored. So all you need to do is to copy this part, then you come over here and paste it. After you paste it, you have to type a backslash and then venv, then you click on enter. So automatically it will create the virtual environment for you. The virtual environment has been created. This is a venv. This is the environment. So right now it doesn't have any library because we haven't installed any library. The next thing we need to do is to select the Python as the default interpreter. Click on View, click on Command Palette, click on Select Interpreter. So click on Enter Paths, click on Find, then click on this venv, click on Script, click this Python and click Select Interpreter. All we need to do is to restart your VS Code. So as you can see, the virtual environment has been created, but we need to open a new terminal. Now that the virtual environment has been created, the next thing we need to do is to test it. So to do this, let's go ahead and create a Python file called main.py. Let's go ahead and install Flask. So the packages has been installed. The Flask has now been successfully installed. To come check whether it has been installed, we go to the library. So Flask has been installed. So this is how you create your virtual environment. If this video helped you in any way, please do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Till next time, I'm your boy Tech with Akan. See you again.